Welcome to Canada Immigration Matters channel, where we provide valuable information and guidance on immigration to Canada. In today's video, we will discuss how you can obtain an LMIA-approved job offer from a Canadian employer using the Canada Job Bank platform. It can be challenging to find work in Canada when you're still in your home country or when you are still new in Canada. A lot of you have been sending me messages asking me to help with finding jobs in Canada. Although we don't assist with recruitment, we will try to give you the best information to help you get your first job offer in Canada. Today's video will give you valuable tips and advice on how to obtain a job offer from a Canadian employer. Let's get started. Getting LMIA-approved jobs in Canada can often be difficult as the employer needs to apply for an LMIA and receive a positive response. Moreover, before hiring a foreign worker for a certain occupation, an employer must obtain a positive LMIA. In general, Service Canada will issue a positive LMIA if an assessment reveals that hiring a foreign worker will positively or neutrally impact the Canadian labor market. First, let's explain what is an LMIA. An LMIA, or Labor Market Impact Assessment, is a document that an employer in Canada may need to obtain before hiring a foreign worker. A positive LMIA will show that there is a need for a foreign worker to fill the job and that no Canadian worker is available to do the job. However, for you to dodge the lengthy process of getting an LMIA, you can find already LMIA-approved jobs using the Canada Job Bank platform. In addition, from the Canada Job Bank, you can refer to the list of employers to verify those who have applied and received a positive LMIA. That way, you are not scammed. The next step in the process is to familiarize yourself with the Canada Job Bank. This online platform serves as a bridge between job seekers and employers in Canada. The Canada Job Bank is an excellent resource for both Canadian employers and job seekers. It allows employers to post job vacancies and provides a platform for prospective employees to find suitable opportunities. By utilizing this platform, you can increase your chances of finding an LMIA-approved job offer, which is an important step towards obtaining a work permit and ultimately, your permanent residency in Canada. Canada Job Bank offers several benefits. One of them is increased visibility. Your profile and job applications are visible to a wider range of Canadian employers actively seeking skilled workers. 2. Already LMIA-approved job offers. Many employers who post jobs on the Canada Job Bank are open to hiring foreign workers and obtaining labor market impact assessments. An LMIA-approved job offer is crucial for most work permits and permanent residency applications. 3. Centralized platform. The Canada Job Bank serves as a central hub, making it easier for both job seekers and employers to connect with each other securely and with the support of the Canadian government. To recap, using the Canada Job Bank can significantly enhance your chances of securing an LMIA-approved job offer from a Canadian employer. Remember to create a job seeker account, search for suitable opportunities, submit your applications, and stay proactive in monitoring your progress. Steps to find LMIA-approved jobs using Canada Job Bank. Assuming that you are searching for jobs from outside Canada, here are the steps to help you find LMIA-approved jobs on Canada Job Bank as well as to find LMIA-positive employers. Step 1. Visit the official Canada Job Bank. The website link is www.jobbank.gc.ca. The next step is to create a job seeker account on the Canada Job Bank website. You will have the opportunity to provide accurate and up-to-date information about your skills, qualifications, work experience, and education. This will help potential employers to find you when they search for candidates with specific skills. Next step, scroll down to the Temporary Foreign Worker link. Once you land on the Temporary Foreign Worker page, you will find a search button with the number of job postings. The link is www.jobbank.gc.ca/temporary-foreign-workers. Step 3. Use the search fields at the top of the page if you want to see only certain types of jobs. For example, you can search for a job title or keywords, like IT specialist or software developer. You can also select filters on the left side of the page to narrow your search. Step 4. Scroll through your search results to get a preview of the jobs, including job title, name of the employer, work location, salary, and date posted. When you find a job that interests you, click on the job title to view the full details. You can also learn about how to apply for the job. Moving on, after following these steps, you will find the list of available jobs that are also LMIA approved. Then, you can apply online and reach out to employers directly to express your interest or clarify any questions about the job. Apply to job postings that interest you by following the instructions provided by the employer. The employer may respond and ask you questions or invite you for an interview. How to find LMIA-positive employers. As mentioned earlier, employers need to apply for an LMIA and receive a positive response to hire a foreign national. If they receive a negative response, they will not be able to hire a foreign national. To help interested candidates to access information without paying any fee or being scammed, the Employment and Social Development Canada, ESDC, publishes a list of employers who requested an LMIA and received a positive response. ESDC publishes the list of employers who received a positive LMIA each year. So, whether you are a foreign worker looking for another employer or someone already in Canada looking to get a job offer, you can refer to ESDC's list to find potential employers with approved LMIA. You will find the link in the video description area. Next step, search for job opportunities. Once the profile you created is complete, start searching for job opportunities that match your skills and qualifications. Use relevant keywords and filters to narrow down your search and find positions that suit your interests. Job match and notifications. The system will then match your profile with potential job offers listed on the Canada Job Bank. If there is a match, you may receive a notification regarding the job opportunity. If you receive a job match notification, it's time to take the next step and apply for the job. Visit the employer's website or follow the provided instructions to submit your application. Ensure that you meet the required qualifications and provide all the necessary documents, such as your resume and cover letter. Move on to the next step, submit your application. When you find a job posting that interests you, carefully review the requirements and ensure that you meet them. Remember to customize your resume and cover letter to highlight your relevant experience and skills. Follow the application instructions provided by the employer and submit your application through the Canada Job Bank platform. Next step, monitor your job applications. Keep a close eye on your job applications and regularly check your Canada Job Bank account for updates. Some employers may contact you directly through the platform to schedule interviews or request additional information. Respond promptly to these messages and maintain open communication. Employer's response and LMIA process. Once you've submitted your application, the employer will review it and assess your qualifications. If they find you suitable for the position, they may initiate the LMIA process if they have not done that already. An LMIA involves the employer demonstrating that there is a genuine need to hire a foreign worker and that no Canadian citizen or permanent resident is available for the job. Obtaining your LMIA-approved job offer. If the employer successfully obtains an LMIA, they will provide you with an LMIA-approved job offer. This offer is a crucial document required for your immigration application process. It signifies that the Canadian government has approved the employer's request to employ you as a foreign worker. Before we conclude, here are a few additional tips to keep in mind throughout the process. Firstly, Be proactive in searching for job opportunities on Canada Job Bank. Secondly, ensure your profile and your Canada Standard resume is relevant and up to date. Lastly, always maintain clear communication with potential employers and provide all requested documents promptly. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide on how to get an LMIA-approved job offer from a Canadian employer using Canada Job Bank. Remember, the process may vary depending on individual circumstances, so it's crucial to seek professional advice from a registered Canadian immigration consultant like Chugo Immigration Services. You will find information on how to book for your immigration consultation in the video description area. We hope you found this information helpful. Remember to subscribe to our channel for more valuable content on Canadian immigration. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out to us. Good luck with your job search, and we wish you success in your Canadian immigration journey. Thank you for watching this video on how to get an LMIA-approved job offer from a Canadian employer using the Canada Job Bank portal.